Rajiv Gandhi assassin convict Ravichandran has approached the Supreme Court. Ravichandran, one of the convicts in the murder of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, has filed an appeal in the Supreme Court demanding that he be released in the same way that Perarivalan was released. Ravichandran has also requested that interim bail be granted to him till his case for release from jail is completed. On the 18th of May, the Supreme Court had acquitted Perarivalan, one of the convicts in the murder case of Rajiv Gandhi. And let's go across to Sukirti Dwivedi, who's following this story. So Sukirti, Mr. Ravichandran, one of the 6 convicts, saying that look at the precedent and so the same should be applied in his case. But are the cases similar? On what grounds have his lawyers asked that he also be released the same way that Perarivalan was?
Well, this particular Perarivalan order had come in May by the Supreme Court, where they granted a release to Mr. Perarivalan, and that case is being cited by Ravichandran as well. So he is part of the same category because he is among the convicts for whom the state government had recommended that these people should be released from the jail, and it is only because of the governor not deciding on that recommendation that the matter had been pending for a very long time, and the governor had then said that the president would take a call, and all of those red tapeism issues had occurred over there. But the Supreme Court had pointed out that because of these delays, somebody cannot keep suffering in the jail, and that is why they had granted an early release to Mr. Perarivalan. And even when we had reported all of that, because all of these people are part of the same category for whom the state government had recommended long ago that they deserve to be released from jail, for that reason, there was always this likelihood that more convicts would approach Supreme Court, and that is exactly what has happened in Mr. Ravichandran's case. And additionally, he's making certain arguments in his plea, saying that this is a very socially conscious man who's not going to have a negative impact in the society. In the last few years, whatever earnings he's made from the jobs he has done inside the prison, he's contributed that money to a recent Tamil chair that had been set up in the Harvard University. So he's devoting the money that he's earning even in prison to noble causes like education. So this is a man who should be given an early release. So his conduct in the jail, the kind of character he has, how he could contribute to the society, all of that in addition to the fact that he is among those who had been recommended for an early release by the state government long ago. So all of those reasons being combined together, and then citing the precedent of the Perarivalan order to say that Mr. Ravichandran should also be released from jail.
All right, so Sukirti Dwivedi bringing us all those details. Thanks for that.